Okay, so I'm gonna be doing the yogurt mask. This is the yogurt I'm gonna be using. This is plain yogurt. I'm going to add in my egg, teaspoon of my moringa oil, and that's gonna be our mask.
Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need.
Very thick. I'm excited to apply this. I'm also very scared because my hair might be smelling like yogurt after applying this. So here we go.
All things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no.
Okay guys, I am done. I wouldn't say that it was really good process to apply this because it was just everywhere. I have yogurt everywhere. Yeah, it wasn't the best process. Anyway, so I'm going to put on my plastic cup, and I'm gonna stay with this for about an hour, and then I'll wash it out and come and share with you my final thoughts about using this yogurt mask. Gonna wear this yogurt everywhere, you guys. After an hour, I'll wash it out with not very hot water. It's like warm water because I have an egg in here, so I don't want that to boil my hair. Okay guys, I am back. It's been an hour and I have just washed out the yogurt. I cannot wait to tell you about it. My hair feels so soft, you guys. Like, I wasn't expecting this yogurt mask to do this. My hair smells like yogurt, so I have to go ahead and shampoo my hair. My hair feels so soft. I don't even know what to say, you guys. It just feels soft. So I loved this yogurt mask. I really did. The only thing I didn't like about this yogurt mask is that it's very messy, and it's also very runny because of the egg in it. Like, it was just running all over. It was just messy. So I don't know, I would probably do it once in a while, which I'm supposed to do because it's a protein treatment. I don't have to do this every week. I usually use banana egg. I've tried that in my videos before. If you guys have not watched that video, I will link it up in the iCard. It's a banana egg mask. So this yogurt and egg is supposed to kind of like repair your damaged hair, also strengthen your hair, and I will definitely recommend you guys to do this mask once a month. It's really nice. I just need to find out how to work around it without it being messy. I definitely have to do it in the bathroom the next time I do this. Other than that, guys, I truly love the way my hair feels. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and do my shampoo, deep conditioner, and all of that good stuff, and then I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
All things must pass.